So how to make Chrome a default browser for your computer? For that you need to go your start button and press on default apps. Once you type DEF, you can see this interface. You have to press on it and scroll down and see web browser. You have to change it. And now I already have a Google Chrome. If you have Microsoft Edge, then you can set it as Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. And now let's check test. I am making a hyperlink on it. Okay, then let's see. Okay, it's starting with Google Chrome. This is the Google Chrome. So this is how you can easily set Google Chrome as a default browser on your computer or laptop. If video helpful, please like and do subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Thank you.